Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create your own PUBG poster on PicsArt. First, select an image of a PUBG character. Now add in a portrait of your preference. Decrease the opacity for placement convenience and adjust it to the background image. Make sure that the portrait head is perfectly aligned to the background image. Then with eraser, remove the excess. Then select cutout and choose the portrait cutout. With the eraser and the brush tool, perfect the cutout, and with the eye, preview the cutout. Make sure that all the tools are included in the cutout as well. Next, go to the home page of PicsArt and select Pick Canvas. With this, make a 9:16 white background. Next, go to Add Photo and add in the previously downloaded image as shown and adjust it to the background. Save the image. Go to Tools and select Tilt Shift. With linear, only focus on the explosion. Click Done and save the image. Back to the home page, select Pick Canvas and choose the 9:16 white canvas again. Now add in the edited background image. Then from the layer section, add in a new empty layer. Here, go to Stickers and add in the sticker you created. Adjust it to the background. Again, create a new empty layer from the layer section and select Add Photo. Here, select the pre-downloaded image of a mask and adjust it to the image. With the eraser, remove the excess. So add in another pre-downloaded image. Just make sure that the image is a PNG. After that, add in another empty layer and another PNG image as shown. For those of you who do not know, PNG is the image with no background. Again, add in another PNG image and adjust it as shown. From the Layers section, drag the PNG layer below the cutout image layer. Add in as many or as little PNG images as you want. Here we are adding another PNG image. For the final touches, add in some effects and you're done. Your PUBG/PicsArt squad is ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.